Yeah, I think we're gonna have a frenzy of lightning here. There's a lot of lightning going around right now, especially right back there where I'm facing. There's lots of lightning. And more lightning over there. There's lots of lightning over here. I would love to take this down there, but that lightning is pretty close. And when I went down there was a close CG boat. When I was walking down to the park, there was a very close CG boat, and I decided to just come right on back and just film right here. There's more CGs. There's more CGs behind me too. Over here is another storm popping up back here. So I won't be surprised if one strikes close behind me too. I'm also staying right next to this pole, so I might just go right back up to the house. I might film in the back. I have lots of wide open space in the back too, so I'm gonna film in my backyard. Yeah, you can see the CGs, lots of CGs. It's very calm out here. There's lots of lightning back there. Hold on, I'll take this to my backyard. There's lots of lightning back there. There's more lightning. You can probably see all the lightning going on down there. That's the core of that storm. Just off to my south, actually. I would say east, southeast, this storm is at. think he's gonna hit, but we're probably gonna see a lot of lightning from him. There's more CGs. I think I just saw a CG hit a power pole too back there. There's lots of CGs over here and over there. There was once another storm right back there, and he died, or up here. So this is the only action I can get. I'm pretty sure that thunderstorm over there is a downburst. There's lots of wind in that. About estimated 60 mile an hour in there. There's an airplane flying over there right now too. So it might get hit by some lightning. You see the CGs. So I have to take this into the back room. I could probably stand right here actually. And the rain's starting to fall. Well, I should have stood back here in the first place. It's a nice view. The back door is not open, I'm sure. Yeah, it's locked. So I have to run back into the garage and take this into the back room because it's starting to rain out here. So I'll be back. Just giving you guys a little more of a view of this lightning we have going on here. Still a lot of lightning here. I have a towel covering the camera, so I apologize if the sound is a little muffled. I hope it's not, but there's still lots of lightning here, coming from both my east and my north, actually. Right now I have you out here facing towards my east southeast. Looks like the rain is probably going to start back up again. Checking to make sure that the lens is covered, which it is. The lens is covered, so it's good. I don't have to worry about rain getting on this camera. As you guys, I'm sure you guys noticed, this is a different camera. My camcorder is all messed up. not broken, but messed up to a degree where I'm not gonna use him anymore. I'm gonna be using this DSLR Nikon is what I'm using. I'm gonna be using this for now on until I get a new camcorder. While I'm filming, I also want to give a rest in peace to Erika from New York, Brooklyn, famous YouTuber, just recently passed this past Wednesday, so rest in peace to him. There's still lots of CGs. One CG just struck over there. I might let this run for maybe, it's been 4 minutes, so I might let this run for 5. You can hear all the thunder, man. There's another CG, Jesus. There's now lots of CGs over here now, but those are being blocked by trees, so I'm just facing over here. This is towards my east, southeast. That's my east over there. Man, here. Hold on, I'll place my camcorder over here. There's lots of CGs over here now. Probably will barely pick them up. Man, there's another CG just behind me. Man, there are a lot of CGs out here. It looks like the rain's probably picking back up too. Well, I might just let this go a full 10 minutes. There's tons of CGs out here. And another one. There are CGs occurring both over here and over here. So I'm just facing my camera towards this way. So hopefully you can see the flashes from both sides of the CGs. Wow. I also have some St. Louis Blues footage I'm going to be uploading right after I upload this storm footage. Lots of CGs. There's just another one struck over there. That's my northeast. That's what that is over there. I'm gonna stop the camera right here. I'll watch the rest. It was another CG.